So what the heck is a whole step or a tone? I hope that you reviewed these 2 videos on intervals already. Well, just like any good math formula, 2 halves make a whole, and that works here too. The interval of a whole step, or the distance of a whole step or tone, is equal to 2 half steps or 2 semitones. Remember, in the Queen's English, a whole step is called a tone. So that kind of makes sense. A half step is a semitone, and a whole step is a tone. So 2 semitones is a tone. When looking at the piano, the distance between most of the white keys, or the natural notes, is a whole step or tone. The exception is E and F and B and C, because there's no black keys in between, and therefore those are semitones or half steps. Hey, grab your ukulele, let's play some whole steps or tones together. If you are playing on a single string, it's easy to find tones and whole steps. The rule? You have to skip a fret in between. Let's start on the 2nd fret of the C string, and we go 2nd fret, 4th fret, and 6th fret. Let's do that again. It's 2nd fret, 4th fret, and 6th fret. And you just played a series of 3 tones or 3 whole steps in a row. Let's do that again on the E string. Same pattern. So 2nd fret on the E string, 4th fret, and 6th fret. Let's do that again. It's the 2nd fret, the 4th fret, and the 6th fret. And why not? Let's just do it on the A string too. 2nd fret, 4th fret, and 6th fret. Do it again. 2nd fret, 4th fret, 6th fret. I have a low G string, but let's just do it on the G as well, whether you've got a low or a high G. 1, 2, here we go. 2nd fret, 4th fret, and 6th fret. Do it again. 2nd fret, 4th fret, and 6th fret. Yay! We can also do it using open strings. Let's go back to our C string, and we'll start with an open string. So it's open C, 2nd fret, and 4th fret. Do it again. C, 2nd fret, 4th fret. Let's do it on the E string. Ready, begin. It's E, 2nd fret, 4th fret. Do it again. E, 2nd fret, 4th fret. Go to the A string. Here we go. A, 2nd fret, 4th fret. Do it again. A, 2nd fret, 4th fret. Lastly, let's do it on our G. Here we go. G, 2nd fret, 4th fret. Do it again. Bum, bum, bum. Do you hear that do, re, mi relationship going on? If you do, well, you're correct. That's what you are hearing. Do, re, mi, you know, from the sound of music, like do, a deer, a female deer. Well, that is a real thing in teaching music theory, and more importantly, the relationships between the notes. You now know what whole steps and tones are in music theory. Are you ready to test your knowledge? I've got a quick quiz down below. That's it for today. You can end your music theory training here or go to one of these videos perhaps. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell too. It helps support this channel. And if you're a ukulele player and want rewards and to support my charity efforts, join me on Patreon. If not, you can buy me a cup of coffee or share a super thanks or start singing do, a deer, a female deer to your heart's content. I am a real person and I think these women should be my friends. But for now, my dog is snoozing to the clickety-clack of my computer keyboard.